are you? This is Alice. It's good to see you. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about all things France. Are you a Francophile like I am? I was a closeted Francophile for years, but now I've let it all out. So it's out there. Anyway, I love all things France. I love their food. I love how they dress. Oh my goodness, love the language, even though I don't speak it. And I've been reading some books on the subject, novels, and just a little bit of everything. So I thought I would show you today. Also, let's talk about how to wear the stripes. If you are like me and never a real stripe person or comfortable wear them, because they do look great on really thin people. I'm very tall. I have very wide shoulders. It doesn't show that way here, but I do. And I've never been that thin, and I have wide hips. So I've always avoided them. Did you? Well, I found now that because they're learning to make clothes a little better for us, like this shirt is, this is Chico's brand. Extremely soft, 3/4 length. Love this shirt. It's got buttons on the sleeve here on the side. And it's dark background, black with a white stripe, as you can see. And the great thing about this is I can wear this. It cuts in at the waist and goes out at the hips. Like some of the Coldwater Creek shirts that I have worn, they are fitted, and so they come out at the hips, but they go in. So it looks great. Anyway, I wanted to show you a couple of shirts that I picked up and see your thoughts on this. I also bought this is a Ruby Road, and this is another striped shirt, 3/4 length. Now see how the stripes do? They start with light blue, then they graduate to this dark blue. This is so cute on. You know, it might not look so great on the hanger. It is cute on. And super, super soft. So here's another way you can wear stripes and you don't feel like you're screaming stripes, and it's flattering. And with jeans, oh my word, fabulous. Okay, so that's one I wanted to show you. This is Coldwater Creek, a no iron shirt, and see right there, it is an extra large. This is just a button down striped shirt with a 3/4 length sleeve, but it is a button sleeve. So here's another great way that even though this is white, this is a smaller stripe, which I like. And with a jacket, wear this with a blazer, pair of black jeans, or you know, you could wear this to the office or something like that, but casually, this is great. But once you wear it with a black jeans and a blazer or sweater or whatever, oh, look fabulous. Love it. And it's super soft, by the way. Talbot's. Do you like Talbot's brand? This shirt, oh my gosh, looks so cute on. I'm not lying. Okay, here's the tag. Talbot's. And look at this. Now this is a big stripe, but look at this collar. Isn't that precious? It's a precious, precious collar. Now it's buttoned down the back. So it's stitched in. See, you can't see through there. So this is stitched down with the embellishments here, and it has an iron hook closure there. So that is the back, and 3/4 length sleeve. This, oh my word, I thought there's no way I can wear that boxy shirt nor will it look that good. I put it on, and yes, it looks that good. It is super, super cute. I hope you like that one. So here's another way. It looks very French. And if you want to, you would just pair these up. These are Tommy Hilfiger loafers. These are mules. So I got a pair of these to wear with that. Also, you guys like Anne Klein? I love Anne Klein shoes. So this is a pair of loafers that I've got. These are a bronzy color. So this is Anne Klein loafers. And I also have, now this is a Mary Jane type shoe. This is suede. Um, this is precious, and it even says this is the fabric's made in France. Go figure. Look at that wedge. This is rubber. And I got this at a thrift store, which surprised me because it's in great shape. Beautiful. So with these, dress this up a little bit with like this black shirt, black and stripes. I've got this shoe. I also have a pair of black Mary Janes. So fun stuff. Anyway, next thing, let's talk about books. I have been reading this author's books, this Elizabeth Bard. She is a national bestseller, and I don't know if you have read these already. I think I'm late to the party, but I have loved this book, Lunch in Paris. There she is on the back. Now this comes with recipes. So this is about, it's a love story, how she met her husband. He is a Frenchman, and they end up getting married, having a child. And so it's been her life as American in France, in the countryside. And the neat thing about this is because it comes with a lot of recipes that are dispersed in the book. So the recipes, I've looked over them. I haven't tried any of these, but I'm telling you, when you read just the ingredients and the simplicity of these recipes, not like you have to have 25 ingredients to make them, fabulous. So loved her storytelling in this book. And then I also read another one of her books, so Picnic in Provence. And this one is a memoir of recipes. So it also has recipes in here, and love this. So I highly recommend. I'm going to put these on my, because I've already read them. So I'm going to put these on my eBay, list them on eBay store if you were interested in those. Also, this is a fairly new book by Nina George, and this is The Little Paris, a novel bookshop. Oh my goodness. Great, great book. Have you read this one? Okay, love that one. And then French Lessons, Adventure with a Knife, Fork, and Corkscrew. And it's by the author, A Year in Provence, Peter Mule. And he actually lives in France. And you can tell reading this that this is written with a man's voice. But I loved this book. It was a great book. So I highly recommend that one. It's not a long read. It's a short read, but it's specifics about the food and the people he's met there and the culture difference. And he is British. So this is a book that's, shares the British man's experience in French culture. So that was kind of interesting too, because he'll go over some of the little sayings that he would hear over there compared, different cultural things compared to the British and French. So also I have the other book by Nina George, The Little Bistro. And I don't know if you need to see the back necessarily. So these were two great books. I'm also going to list those in my eBay store. Now, these will be under Francophile category in our store. So I'm going to do things that I find that Francophiles might love. I'm going to list them in that category of our store. So I wanted to show you those things. The shoes that I recently got. I have been changing up my wardrobe since I have lost weight over the spring and summer slowly at my age. Oh my gosh, it's been slow. But that's good, right? And I have been on the keto diet and intermittent fasting. If you ever have any questions or interests about my experience there, just let me know. I am going to post a couple of these shirts because I've got a ton of stripes now. I got so many. I got so excited that I thought, okay, I need to sell a couple of these. Anyway, I'm going to also list those in our eBay, the books. A few of the shoes will be there, and I'm going to add some more things that Francophiles might just love. So I hope you enjoyed this today. Thank you. If you'll thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll be back real soon. Bye, guys.